Your Excellency.
Mieto wezona Anglopa awamafia Togbi Sri Atonlia Togbi Wezon
Togbi Sri III is the Awamafia of Anglo, or the paramount chief of the Anglo traditional area. The Kingdom of Anglo is one of the largest of the coastal tribes. The Anglo state is made up of about 36 major states, including Abo, Anyako, Keta, Kwita, Jolokofe, Aveno, Georgia, and more. Traditional area and former president of the National House of Chiefs. He is an alumnus of the University of Ghana and holds an MBA from the Yale School of Management, which he obtained in 1989. Togbi is the executive chairman of the World Trade Center and was voted member of the board of directors in 2015. Togbi Afede is a well-known businessman with several businesses across the country to his credit. In fact, he enjoys flying and is a co-pilot of the Embraer 145 aircraft of the Africa World Airlines, which he himself piloted for the very first landing at Ho Airport in April 2021. Togbi Afede, you are welcome.
Is also on parade, and she is in command of the female contingent of the Customs Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority.
Togbi Gbogboluulu Atonlia Fiagana Vakpo Alamia Domi Nanamake Togbi Doglo Anuma Atonlia Avono Pafiaga Togbi Miawezon Osie Ajategbo Antrelia Fiagana Avatime.
The 6th Independence Anniversary, Volta 2023, is our unity, our strength, our purpose. Cape Coast 2022
Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Arriving now is the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and his spouse, the Second Lady of the Republic of Ghana, Her Excellency Hajia Samira Bawumia.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Ghana Dukwala Fakbarenuto Alhaji Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia Bla Esra.
National Salute! Arms! Hey! Show! Hey! Arms!
You are most welcome, Mr. Vice President.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the 5th Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, the 5th in the 4th Republic. He is an economist and a former central banker.